Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do free mockups for your clothing brand using Canva and other websites. So the first thing, of course, if you already have your own design and you just need a t-shirt or a hoodie or something like that, you can go to freepik.com. And here you're gonna find a t-shirt mockup or hoodie mockup, whatever you need. You can see it's right here. So let's choose t-shirt, and I'm gonna need a black one. So I can either use this one, or maybe let's use this one. And then you're gonna click on download, and you're gonna click on pre-download. You're gonna save it to downloads, and now I'm gonna go to Canva. Well, the first thing, of course, if you have a Canva Pro version, you can, as you can see on that design, there is a background, and you don't want that. You need to remove the background, but you can do this actually on Canva. As you can see, it's right here, background remover, but you need to have a Pro version Canva. So for the sake of this video, I have a free version for you, so I'm not gonna use Canva right now. You can do this for free by going to remove.bg, and you're gonna just upload the image right here. And as you can see, it removes the background pretty good. And now you're gonna click on download. After that, you're gonna go to Canva, and as you can see, I already have my design, and it's actually without the background. But of course, if you have a design which has a background, you can also remove the background right here. So first of all, we're gonna need to upload the design here without the background. And as you can see, the image size is this one. So you're just gonna go to Canva and create a design on custom size, or we can just click on this one. And as you can see, it will make it like that using the design, custom size, create a new design. And you can see it's actually without a background. Canva just creates one. So after that, we're gonna go to our uploads, and here is my design, and I can basically just put it right here, center it, and copy and paste it. Of course, I'm not gonna put the same one on the back of the t-shirt, but so that's how you add your design to a mock-up. But of course, I want to show you, you can actually search for room photos, or I don't know where your t-shirt could be. So let's, for example, pick something like a beautiful, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna choose this one, and you're gonna do this as a background. Of course, it doesn't fit these t-shirts, but you're gonna add the t-shirts again. Basically, just find what fits you, and then create it here. And that's it, guys. Actually, that's how you create a mock-up for your clothing brand using Canva, Freepik, remove background, and etc. If you need some designs, you can always go to Creative Fabrica. They have a lot of different designs, which you can, some of those you can use for print on demand. So you can search right here for some type of illustrations, or search in the search bar. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. And that's it, guys. That's how you create a mock-up for your t-shirt, for your clothing brand. And if you like this video, please like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.